Hi, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life and welcome back to my channel. This is just a normal process video for my channel and I am going to use this sketch. Now, as I am going through this, I am using the same sketch or same weekend crop from the Secret Not Secret Kit Club. And there was a challenge on there where I had to do a double take for from Christy's Beautiful Life. She was in the month of April doing a full on 30 days of sketches. She's done this now 5 times. I love doing 30 days of layouts and stuff. It gets quite a bit done. I just love doing it. So we had to go back through her Instagram, and I'll link her Instagram down. Go give her some love over there. She does a lot. And she does quick little videos if you're wanting a little bit quicker of a video than compared to, say, like me, that give you the full on. She's quick and easy to show a few things, but I just love her style. She's pretty, she's a lot different from me, but still in the same fashion that she loves her Pinterest boards and all of that kind of stuff. So go check her out. So I wanted to make a complimentary page to my other one that I have done. Now, you guys have seen the other one where I went with all the multi-photos. These are all of her pool pictures that I had for the year, for the summer of last year, which was 2019. And I just wanted to put them in like a 2-page spread and call it, kind of call it a day that way. This year, I am doing I think I'm going to do a traveler's notebook for her summer, but I do always put her last day of school, the pool pictures, and her last day of summer vacation into her yearly, into like her 12 by 12 every day layouts. And then anything that we do for the summer, I always tend to do it in something different. And this year, unlike last year I did it in a 6x6 or like a 4x6, and I ain't doing that. I didn't like it. It was like too time consuming for me. I just don't like doing those. But the traveler's notebooks I love doing. And that is what I'm planning on doing for her. So this summer you will see a lot of traveler's notebooks. Now, the sketch called for circles. And what I decided to do is that I got out my Whitey Tidy. And this is from Shimmer's Paints. And this sea urchin mini stencil is from Kaisercraft, and I got it from the Secret Not Secret Kit Club, if I remember correctly. I think I got it from her. If not, it was like a cherry on top or scrapbook.com or something like that. But I wanted the sketches or the circles and stuff on there. And I thought that this was fitting because we're at the pool. Now, if you by any chance hear my daughter in the background, I'm just letting you know we're quarantine-ish. We are doing schoolwork, and you may hear her sing or be doodle-daddling in the background, just to give you a heads up. So I take my heat gun and I dry it as I go. And I just absolutely love how this turned out, because when it comes to the other page, I made sure that I used the same collection throughout this, throughout these 2-page spreads, because I just couldn't, like I said in the other video, I just could not get myself to find a double-page spread that I liked with the size of my photos. So I thought that this was perfect. And here I am. I'm just going to clean up because I made a boo-boo down there in the bottom. And you know how I am. I always got to clean up. It drives me nuts when I can't. So now I'm just letting this dry. And I do go in with my heat gun and I sit there and I let it try to figure out. I try to let it dry and keep going back and forth, and I try to get it to dry, and Georgia's just weird lately. Lately here, Georgia has been humid, but then cold, and then warm again. It just messes with everything. So I'm here at the next day because I got frustrated last night, or the night before to do this, I should say, not last night. When I did this voiceover, it's been a couple of days. But I got frustrated because the stuff wasn't drying. So then I came back and waited until it was dry. And I'm just making sure that all of these little pieces, now there's this little thing up in the corner that is where my title is going to go, and that is what was in the sketch. So I do pull out these American Craft foam thickers that are black. I wanted to pull in the black just a little bit more. And I'm playing around, and you'll see how I get this to figure out. I use this donut thing right here, and then this other donut, but then I use the beach ball and this girl laying on the donut. I think it's perfect for my daughter, and it's fitting for what's going on, you know, because we are pool bums, definitely pool bums. What I decided to do is that this photo is at one of the breaks that my daughter wanted to take. I'm thinking it's probably actually when they braked for the lifeguards. And she came back and sat down, and all of the colors are fitting. Her swimsuit is very much the tones to this, and it works out essentially perfect. And I have quite a bit of this left over that I can't wait to use it for this year as well, because I've actually got some quarantine photos already of her being in our backyard oasis. And I'm going to take, once I get everything up and it can stay up, I'm definitely going to take pictures. And if you guys have not followed me on social media, everything will be linked down below. It'll be, you know, I have all my social media linked down below, and if you ever want to follow me just to see what everyday life quarantine is for my daughter and I, you could definitely go check it out. But essentially you'll see it on here too. So now I'm just coming in with all these little bits and bobs. While you are listening and watching, I hope that if you are new, please hit that like and subscribe button. I would love to have you to my YouTube family. I am close to 2,100 subscribers. My next goal and my next big giveaway is at 3,000 subscribers. I know I am really far off, but I would love to still have you, just so that when we get to that close mark, that everything that you will be here. And obviously I just love what I do here. I love the chatting. I love the process videos that I give for you guys, and I just love everything about this channel. You guys are super amazing for all of your comments, and I know a lot of you don't comment, but I know that you guys are the silent ones, and I love you guys too, because I know you guys absolutely love coming back to see what shenanigans my family is into, along with my chatterbox of voiceovers that I do. But yeah, I really love how this one turned out. I think it's perfect. So now I come in with my sequence, and I do kind of leave this in just a little bit because I come in with my gold splatters and whatnot. I do come in, this is a newer one from Spiegel Mom Scraps, and it's an ocean one. I think it's in her, I still think it's in her shop. So if it is, I'll link it down below. But I absolutely loved how this one turns out. I don't really do any journaling on this because obviously you can tell that she's wet and she's at the pool, and it's complementary to my other page that I do have the journaling on about it. And my title on that page is Summer, and then this one is Pool Bum, so it's kind of like Summer Pool Bum. It's like perfect for her and how much we went to the pool last year and all that kind of stuff. But yeah, so this is pretty much it. You will see me put in the rest of the sequence mix, and then obviously gold splatters will be coming up. No, silver splatters. One of the two. But the still shots are definitely coming up. Make sure that you like and subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you. I am going to leave you with just a little bit of music of me putting this in. The splatters will be coming up. And I hope that you guys are staying safe and that you have a wonderful day. And I will talk to you soon. Bye.